All right, I'm going to work out practice 2. I asked you to create a 9 by 9 int array. So int array, 2D array, nums equals new int 9, 9. There we go. And I'm going to print it, even though I didn't ask you to, because I want to see right away what we're talking about. See, I gave you a print array method, so you didn't have to mess around with that, right? 9 by 9, all zeros, because that's the default value. Now, I then ask you to use 2 for loops to set all the diagonal values to 1. So let's do this. You need to use regular for loops, not enhanced for loops. So for int r equals 0, r less than nums.length plus. Now we do columns, int c equals 0, c less than, and for columns we do num0.length, because that's how you find out how many columns there are. And I know for sure we can say if r is equal to c, then nums r c, too many brackets, equals 1. So that'll give us the diagonal going down everywhere where the row is the same as the column. When it's 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. That's what this is doing. If the row and the column are the same, that's the going down to the right diagonal. I'll prove it to you. Print array nums, and we will see. First, the array. Oh, I wrote int 4. So I want a blank line here. I'd like to have a line between our two things. Yeah, how did I write int there? Okay, so here's the blank array. Here's the right hand going down all as ones, and then we want to go the other column going up. And that's just another if statement here. So notice when the row is 8 and the column is 0, we want it to be a 1. When the row is 7 and the column is 1, we want it to be a 1. When the row is 6 and the column is 2. Now, if you'll notice, 8 plus 0, 7 plus 1, 6 plus 2, they add up to 8. So we can actually just check if they add up to 8. If r plus c equals 8. Instead of doing 8, I'm going to do nums.length minus 1, and that way we could change the length. We could change the size of the array, and this would still work. Then we're going to say nums r c is equal to 1. So I think we'll now have both diagonals will be 1s. Yep. And the way I wrote it, if I change it to 19, it'll still work, because I didn't hard code it to anything except for that size right there. So let's leave it like that when we're done. All right. Hope that helped.